Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our second card this week using the Nature Symphony bundle. And for this one, I have used a bunch of different things. I've used a Cajun Craze base, Cajun Craze to cut out the detail with the die. This is the die that I used. This is the exposed brick folder in the background. And then I used the Happy Birthday from the Right Words and just shadowed it in Cajun Craze. So for the card on the video today, I am using Berry Burst, and I will be using Pretty in Pink as my shadow. So what I've done is I've already cut out in Berry Burst my die cut here. So there's my leaves already cut out. What I have left is the negative space, however you'd like to call it, the what's left after you do the die cut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Pretty in Pink, and I'm going to use this as a stencil or a mask, however you'd like to call it. And I'm just going to come in. Now you need to be a little bit careful with this because there's a lot of edges that are kind of a little bit loose. So you can't just smear around because you'll end up messing up your stencil. It's not too huge a deal because you are going to be covering it up with the die cut. This is me trying to talk and think at the same time, and it doesn't always work. So okay, so I'm just going to hold that down and then just do some inking here like this. And then I'm going to hold it down again and come in here and just do some inking up here. With this, it helps to kind of come in from the outside and just bring the ink in towards the middle. Okay, I'm going to hold that down so that I can do the stencil from the bottom piece. And I've just moved everything. So I'm just going to line this back up again. There we go, close-ish. And I'm just going to add some color in where I feel like there's color lacking. If this isn't exact, it's not a big deal. Again, you're going to have the die cut over top of it. And this is meant to be a background image. So that's what we've got so far, and it's okay that there's a little bit hanging off the edges. That's okay. If you don't want there to be anything off the edges, use a larger piece or put some paper underneath to block it. What I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to run this through the eyelet folder. I used the exposed brick on the sample. I'm going to use the eyelet folder for this one, so I'm just going to run that through the embossing, cut and emboss machine here. So let's run that through. There we go. I'll take this out. Okay. And I'm going to flat mount it to the card base like this. So I'm going to put adhesive all around the edges like this, just so that the edges of the card don't kind of waffle up or ruffle up. There we go. Okay, so this is this way. I need this to go this way, so we're going to do this. Okay, and then I'm going to put adhesive on the back of the leaves here. You can do this with an adhesive sheet on the back so that you make it into a sticker if you want, if you find that easier. You can use glue. You can use whatever adhesive you like. I tend to just get sticky fingers with glue, so I don't use glue a lot. Okay, so now we're just going to pop this down over top of our image, but we're going to make sure that we're offset so that you can still see the pink underneath. Okay, so we're just gonna pop that down like that. And then I've already stamped the Happy Birthday and cut it out of white. When I trim down my paper to make 5 1/4 by 4, I end up with this 1/2 inch strip, which is perfect for doing greetings like this. So I've just stamped it and I've angled off the edges and I've put it just that kind of 1/8 inch in from the bottom. And I'm just going to use my paper trimmer to cut the top. I'm a little shy on that, but it's a straight cut and not a jagged cut. So let's move this out of the way. And then I'm just going to angle the edges the same way. There we go. Pop this up on dimensionals. And there we go. We'll just mount this on the card, and then we'll add a little bit of bling, and we'll be done, done, done. So I'm offsetting this, so I'm more in the middle, like that. And then I need to find my bling. I know I had my bling out. What have I done with my bling? Okay, so let's grab another sheet of bling. Luckily, I have more than one of these. I am going to use the Pretty in Pink dots from the Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink. And I'm going to pop one up here. And I'm actually going to try and aim for the middle of the little eyelets there. So wherever I put this down, I'm aiming for the middle of an eyelet, just so it makes it look a bit more like a flower. And then I'm going to put one here like that. So that is our card. Again, this one, a more masculine take with the Cajun Craze and the crushed curry and the exposed brick folder in behind. And then we have this one with the Berry Burst, Pretty in Pink, and then the Berry Burst gems on the eyelet 3D folder. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.